Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add any blockchain network to Metamask automatically. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC, and in the search bar, you simply need to type metamask.io. Now once you are on the official website of Metamask, you need to first add the extension of Metamask in your web browser. After that, you just have to import your token, and once you have successfully added your wallet on Metamask, you need to open a new tab, and now in the search bar you will have to search for chainlist.org. Over here you will be able to see the connect button, so you simply need to press the connect button, and after that you just have to connect your MetaMask wallet with Chainlist. Once done, you will be able to see a bunch of different chains and networks that you can directly add in your MetaMask wallet. So you just have to choose any of these. So let's say I want to add Phantom Opera in my MetaMask wallet. So I'll simply click on the add to MetaMask option. Then a MetaMask pop-up will open in front of me, and it will automatically take the network name, its URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. I'll just have to press this approve button and press the switch network option. This way, if I click on this MetaMask extension, you will notice that it is now the Phantom Opera, and by default you will be able to see the Phantom wallet in your MetaMask account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.